Hello, welcome to this Nearpod Professional Development Curriculum Plan. This PD is geared towards teachers at the Kingstree Middle Management School of the Arts to learn new strategies to engage and increase students' participation in their lessons. From the PD needs assessment that was done, it shows that over 80% of respondents stated they would benefit from PD addressing the effective instruction strategies and teaching method in computer and technology. 70% of respondents stated that they would be interested in additional training in the effective use of technology resources to improve teaching and learning. For the introduction of this PD session, we'll provide an overview of the needs assessment survey results, look at an overview of Nearpod, and outline the learning outcomes for the PD. We will also have a table discussion on what are some of the strategies used to increase students' participation in the lessons, and a whole group discussion about these strategies that are used in the classrooms. There will also be a video about using Nearpod for student engagement. We will then have a discussion on the video about how these strategies from the video can be used in the classroom. Participants will then participate in their first formative evaluation, where a Nearpod poll will be used to assess the participant feeling of the PD so far in addressing student participation in their classrooms. For the development section of the PD, we'll first have a discussion on how Nearpod can be used to transform classes by adding content, increasing students' participation, using game-based activities, and student self-paced activities. Then create a free Nearpod account. Steps will be demonstrated to the whole group. Time will also be allotted to allow collaboration among table groups in creating their account. There will be a demonstration on how to use the Nearpod library to find lesson content using different search criteria such as full lessons, videos, and game-based activities. Staff will then be placed in department groups to search the Nearpod library to find content and activity that is specific to their content area. A whole group discussion on the relevance of the content in the Nearpod library and how it can be used to increase student engagement and participation will be done. The facilitator will demonstrate how to create a Nearpod lesson from scratch. The attendees will work along with the presenter to add content, video, web content, time to climb game activities, create collaborative activities, quizzes, and other content in the Nearpod lesson. The facilitator will provide support where necessary and allow attendees to collaborate with each other in adding content. The facilitator will demonstrate how to assign lessons to students using live participation with Zoom, live participation, or student-paced. Staff will complete the second formative evaluation to check their comfort level with Nearpod and the PD so far. For the reinforcement section of the PD, staff will work in their department groups to create a 1-hour lesson by utilizing a year group and standard of their choice. The facilitator will provide support where necessary. Each department will share their lessons, discussion on the resources used, and how effective they think the lessons will be in increasing students' participation in the lesson will be done after the presentation. At the end of the PD, a summative assessment will be assigned to participants to check their overall comfort of the professional development. The summative assessment will be used to make changes for future workshops. The purpose of the workshop is to share how Nearpod can be used to increase students' motivation, engagement, and participation. Thank you.